Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Hannah D'Souza. Today I'll be doing something different, something I haven't done before on my YouTube channel. I'll be reviewing two beauty products. I do such videos and posts on Instagram, but it's the first time I've taken this to YouTube. So I'll be reviewing two products from Oriental Botanics. One is their aloe vera, green tea and cucumber eye radiance under eye roll on, and the other one is their red onion hair mask. So when I speak of the ingredients, I'll also be backing it up with research articles that I have found, so you really know that these products are worth it and will work on you. And I'll be referring to my laptop that's down here, so if you catch me looking down again and again, it's because I'm reading the research from there. Okay, so let me start with the first product, that is the eye roll-on. It claims to minimize dark circles, fine lines and puffiness around the eyes. It has pure extracts, no parabens, cruelty-free, vegan, no mineral oils, no sulfates, no silicones. So it's an all-natural product. It costs rupees 4.99 for 15 ml, which is a pretty decent amount. So this is how the product looks like. It has a metal tip ball on the top. You press down to get the product up, and then you apply it onto your eyes. Application wise, it's very gentle on the eyes. I like that I can only apply it with a metal tip ball. It gives you such a cooling effect, and I don't have to get the product onto my fingers and then apply it. So that's really nice. Also, the product does not burn or itch at all. It does not make my eyes water, even though I use it on my upper eyelids and my lower eyelids. So I have used this product for about 10 days, and whatever I share with you will be in accordance to these 10 days. Okay, so I'll leave a before and after picture towards the end of the review. This product has aloe vera, cucumber and green tea. So according to research, these are some of the things I found, and I will leave it on the screen somewhere. Aloe vera has skin lightening properties. It helps with depigmentation. Green tea exhibits antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic properties. It has anti-aging benefits and also UV protection benefits. So as you can see, these ingredients with all the antioxidants will help reduce the puffiness and darkness around your eyes. So as you can see in the before and after, I have hyperpigmented upper eyelids much more than the lower eyelids. I have a lot of puffiness and my eyes look a little sunken. So as you can see, there's not a lot of difference, but then again, these products take a lot of time to work, especially if the darkness has been from a long time. Also, let me remind you, there are a lot of factors that can contribute to dark under eyes. One and the most common one is lack of sleep. Also, your genetics play a very important role. So how the product works on me and how it will work on you will be different. Product rating wise, I'll rate this product an 8 out of 10. One reason is I did not see results quickly. The second reason is the applicator sometimes leaks out a lot of product that causes a lot of wastage. So yeah. The second product I'm going to review is the red onion hair mask. It costs rupees 6.99 for the net volume of 200 ml. So I will not be mentioning all the ingredients. You can check it out for yourself. I'll be leaving it in the description below. But as of now, I can tell you, like the eye roll-on, this product also is cruelty-free, no sulfate, no parabens, no mineral oils, etc. So again, it is an all-natural product. The main ingredient apart from the rest is onion. So according to research, onion has beneficial hair growth properties and can be used in the treatment of alopecia. And according to this product, the claims of this company, it says it helps reduce dandruff, hair fall, and a variety of hair related problems, and it enhances softness and smoothness in the hair. So it's kind of a deep conditioning product. Well, when I read that it's a hair mask, I thought I have to apply it before washing my hair. But according to this product, you need to wash your hair with shampoo, then apply it, leave it for 5 minutes, and then rinse it. So you use it more or less like a conditioner rather than a mask. When I read that this product is a mask, I assumed I need to use it before shampooing my hair. But according to this product, you shampoo your hair, apply the mask from roots to ends, and wait for 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. So it's more or less you use it as a conditioner than a regular mask. As you can see in this video, I've only used the product from mid to end length of my hair, and that's because at that time I wasn't aware that you need to use it on your roots as well. This was the first time that I used the product, and I have used it twice. So what did I think of the product? You can see a before and after. I will leave it on the screen. It did make my hair a lot more shiny and smooth. The videos that you can see are without using any heat styled products. I did not use any other products such as serums. I did not even blow dry my hair. So my hair even right now is not styled at all. It's after I've used this mask and washed my hair. So yes, as you can see, it has a lot of shine and it's a lot more soft, but according to me, it leaves my hair a little flat and dull up here. There's no bounce and volume. That's something I didn't like. Product rating wise, I'll rate this product a 7 out of 10. 1 point it loses because I do not like the smell of the product. It doesn't smell like onions, but it has a very Ayurvedic floral kind of smell. I usually like Ayurvedic products. Even my shampoo is very herbal, but somehow I'm not a fan of the smell of this product, and the smell lasts for about 2 days even after you wash your hair. So that's something I don't like at all. Secondly, as I mentioned before, it leaves my hair a little flat and dull up here, even though it has the shine. And thirdly, I prefer a pre-shampoo hair mask that I can leave for about 15 to 20 minutes rather than waiting in the bathroom after shampooing my hair for 5 to 10 minutes. So these are the 3 things I didn't like about this product. Overall, I really liked how the product worked on me. I've mentioned the pros, cons, and the research behind the ingredients of the products. So if you like these products, you can check out the link in my description and order them for yourself or read more about them. And if you want me to do more such reviews, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to do so. So I'll see you next time, probably with a music video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's the only way I will grow on YouTube. Thank you so much for your support.